Alright, so let's talk about this smart circuit breaker. I just bought it, got it out of the box, so this is not, this is the one that you're going to see. So here it says remotely monitor and switch on and off using the app. So basically when I was talking with these guys, they told me that I can read the consumption and turn on and off the breaker. And I think also I can have a schedule, so that way I can turn on and off the breaker, in certain hours. So that is great. So let's say that you have a lot of the peak consumption is a lot in your house. Instead of adding another panel with a load control or anything like that, like I did for another customer, you can install this instead, and then you can turn it on and off. Let's say that, for instance, in my area, I have from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. is the most expensive rate. So if for instance this, it can be used for the air condition. So let's say that you turn off the air condition, it's just in those 3 or 4 hours or 5 hours, it depends of your area, where you have the highest rate. So you can, if this is true, and it can be used with the app, and I can control it, to turn it on and off, that would be great. Otherwise, because if you don't have a smart thermostat, for instance, the Nest sucks. The thermostat Nest, even the fourth generation, you cannot do that. You can control the temperature, but you cannot turn it on and off the air condition. Also, for instance, there are another air conditions where you have the thermostat, for instance, the mini splits, and then let's say you leave the house, the air condition will turn off by itself. You come back, or you're getting close to the house, like 2 or 3 miles away, and then it will heat up, it will turn on or off the air condition. So that is a good thing. So another is something that I didn't know about this is here it says install a Leviton Smart Circuit Breaker into any Leviton panel. That is common sense to me, but for remote access and monitoring of individual circuit data, you have to buy this. You have to buy another product. So Leviton Home Energy Monitor, and I'm going to buy this and see how it goes. So it requires to connect the Leviton, the second generation smart breakers, to the Leviton app, Leviton circuit breakers, and engineer exclusive for Leviton Load Center. So this is it. So let's take this out of the box. And this it looks like a regular one, but it costs like 2 times more than the regular breaker, the one that is not smart. But I'll give it a try. So I like it a lot. Leviton, it looks like a very nice brand. Also, you can swap the breaker without doing anything else. So basically you don't have to remove wires or anything. Anybody can do it, just take it out and that's it. If you compare it with this, for instance, if you have to remove this breaker, replace it with another one, you have to remove the wire and put it back in. In this case, you don't have anything like that. Just remove it, put the new one in, and that's it. So that is a huge difference. So if you have any question, comment, please let me know, section below. If you want to keep learning, go to my playlist, you will see all my videos. Thank you for watching, see you next time.